Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and freeing space. Open Settings, go to System About to note your current TV OS. Once done, verify the Apple TV is on the same Wi-Fi or wired network as your router, and that the Siri remote is paired and responsive. Make room if needed by removing apps under Settings, General Manage Storage. Updates typically need 12 GB. When prerequisites are met, navigate to Settings System Software, Updates to start the process. You now download and install the update. Select Settings System Software Updates and choose Update Software. Pick Download and Install. If you prefer hands-off, toggle Automatic Updates on. The download may take minutes to an hour depending on size and bandwidth. Keep the Apple TV powered and network stable. Once the download finishes, the device will install and reboot automatically. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to validate the update. This ensures your device installs signed, trusted software. After the install and reboot, verify the new TV OS version under Settings System About so you know the update completed. If the update stalls or fails, first restart your Apple TV and router, then try again. Network hiccups often cause failures. Once tried, clear temporary issues by unplugging power for 10 seconds before reconnecting. If you still see errors, use Settings System, Reset to restore defaults, or reach out to Apple support with your device model and error code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.